Grow a garden dragon fruit can sell for a lot of money. In addition, it looks wonderful when it grows in your garden. In this video, I tell you where to find it and whether it is worth having. When dragon fruit seeds are planted, a big tree will grow and eventually produce dragon fruit. When it becomes available, you must climb up the tree to retrieve it. You will need to save money because these dragon seeds are expensive. Overall, you will need dragon fruit seeds to obtain dragon fruit. The seed shop is where you may purchase these. Due to their legendary rarity, these seeds might not always be available. In case you were unaware, the gear shop and grow a garden stock both undergo a 5-minute refresh and change. If dragon fruit seeds are accessible, consider yourself fortunate because they are legendary. It could be necessary to return a few times and hope they are present. If such is the case, be sure to purchase them before other people do. This fruit's amazing feature is that it's evergreen. This implies that the tree will continue to produce additional dragon fruit after you harvest the fruit. In addition, dragon fruit has a high market value. If it has a mutation, its value rises, making it a beneficial fruit to have in your garden. I hope you found this video useful.